him. You see, nanka, oh yeah, also their own tessa. Oh yeah, diabolic kakra. Me. Also their own tessa. Now, Saoka Kasa NDC for a promise. Kuku for say. Oh, no, but it was not a promise. Now, until one can, you didn't say this on the campaign. A promise. I am telling you that it was not. So what was it? When you promise something, yes, you are talking about something that you have put in your manifesto, and you have made a pledge, maybe to Ghanaians. So this was not a promise, and that is a blueprint. Ghana need be able to make Shamsu. So this was not a promise. What is the promise in our manifesto? Remember, what is the promise in our manifesto? The promise in the manifesto is to the effect that the price will be set at 70%. The FOB value will be set at 70%, which is $7,200. That is it. That is the promise. Obi Kasawa platform so TNE. We always make those analysis, and you can't say as a politician, ultimately for the prevailing factor and make analysis. Then you are telling me you are not doing politics. Why prevailing factor is what? As at that time, $9,700. And I can say, Sabanu Chema, Pedia, what kind of a person? What you sure. Me a lube say. That's about 6,000. 6,000 something. Yeah. What is the prevailing your friends prices here? 7,200. Chamumiensa. Uchamumiensa ebe saying. About 2,400. Okay. Famielu Emma farmers ebe saying. 4,000. 4,000 saying. 800. Fatwa. $4,800. Multiply $4,800. By 10.25. Ubenya saying. Me wa tomo your calculation, mami. Ubenya saying. Munya calculation, mami. Then you multiply $6,200 by 16. Oh, it is 15. Okay, oh, 15 po. Ubenya saying. You understand? It is politics we are doing. And to who why yet? Me pacho why yet? And to say na unyai. Even why calculation say na unyai. Even as at the prevailing price. Say see ya me no ka say. If you do the mathematics, yeah. What would say? Amanyo se maye no. E do ba bia mo man kan kore kakra. You understand? But they can kontompo. MPP4 trying to portray say we said the same cocoa akuafo, ye buy a beton cocoa 1 bag 6,000. But no there are certain things why are you telling the farmers? Why are you he never said the say you beton 1 bag of me say we never said the say Jerome cocoa and some can no platform so you understand? But when you say some na mukan me but some na mukan when you say Ghana ni bi jina so de to abama it was not to say on cancer, your producers are here. They can research and tell you, say, yes, say, you buy a beton cocoa 1 bag of cocoa. Your friend said, cocoa farmer 6,000. Did we say that? We said the government could have sold us at that time by the prevailing price to the farmers at this price. Amazing. You see, these are two different things. Let's put things in its perspective. So I said, let's put a producer analysis. I was listening to him, and I was like, that is a very intelligent way of doing the work. So I said, these are two clear-cut difference. Let's put the difference there. Okay, so I've done a search here. The search says that the NDC during the 2024 election campaign pledged to increase the cocoa producer price to 6,000 per 64 kg per bag. Atu Forsen, he said this. During your campaigning, he said this. Yeah.
6,065 million.
I just want us to put the thing very clear here. So I say, some analysis now no but analysis now at that time no. He was looking at the current price of cocoa per dollars. So I say, okay. And I walk say, looking at that price no. saban no mpokura no epese wo chem miensa obetima chem miensa na nka wodi mienu ayeden ama akuafo no so what I say no is not to say yeah ba cocoa price no whatever greater e wo bia no ye beche mienu na ye beche miensa na edi mienu amamo. Now if you come to that 10 o calculate your friend saying 7,200.
Yes.
O divided by miensa o benya 2,400. 2,400 no by 2 about 4,800.
Sure.
4,800 times o multiply by an exchange rate no 10.25.
Maybe 10.5.
I say
10.5.
Okay, what is so mami? So 10.5 about 48,240. 48,240. Now take that price 9,700. O divided by miensa ubenya 3,233. So what I said, o multiply by mienua ubenya 6,466. 6,466 no. O multiply 6,466 by that time 15. Ebe saying 97,000. So you compare 40,800, 40,200, what do you call it? 40 to 48,000.
But Shamsudeen.
To 97,000.
No, I like the analysis that you are making. Yes.
So what I say now, subtract the 48,240 from the 3,223. Ubenya saying. Subtract. Ubenya saying 3,228. So I said, by that, 48,000, yes.
But it's good. It's good.
48,000. Your friend said 240 minus 32,200. 3,000. Sorry, 3,208. You get 1,596. So it means that even per year price, we could have added 1,598 to this. Per year analysis, X-ray Ghana for as at before 2024 election. So what I said, if we were to go by that, we could have added 1,596 to the what? 3,228.
Okay.
But why it wasn't added? I didn't know. Meanwhile, unim say. As at the time now, no omoton 3,100 per dollars no.
Yeah.
3,100 per dollars as that time no. And now me no can say, yeah benchmarking akọ 5,040 per ton. 5,040, which is 62.58%. So what I say, when you look at the exchange rate and then baby away, sikano above them. So what I say, look. Saban we kura enya ban or big Ghana for and go munya sa 3,228 kura. Yes, FM. I am telling you. And Kenya Bano, I am so prudent in managing the economy and making sure that the cocoa sector will stand. And for that matter, the cocoa farmer will know say a buyer or gain who abano. And Kaumunya 3,228.
And in Shamsudeen, simple question. Because also how mathematics we are weighing na ngunai. Ubaye dan na koko.
Da you can ngunai me no nya.
So make kind of ngunai. Maybe allow me please allow me. Me say how mathematics we are weighing. Ebi mo ha o my confusing. Me dey me confused. Koko farmer na o wa abonten ho no mo. Sa koko farmer no. Onu kra wa enwu na adwuma ni koko farmer ne dia won ti ase.
Eno na media ba ase say koko ni no. Enejo ma price na obeto no say MPP abanton 3,100 per bag no yeah. Per bag no bag no. Enejo ma say obeto no 3,228.
Yes.
So it say Ghana cedis. Nemo a difference of 128. Okay. 128. Nemo NDC aba enkaye penny say you be increase price no and 1,596 aka 3,228 no ama koko akwani no anya 4,000 what do you call it 4,600 So what I say, Nemum, and then Yanina Bear being say, Ghana, your dollar no, Sika Samide, dollar no, your boy money, I'm actually dollar, I'm an idea, Abafem. And now call on my swa, Coco no Sunday free her airport ton no. The price na ya benchmark ya ye ton wa manoneno. Say ye de compare the MPP aban e ton no e de be ma kuani na. Nka kuani ni nya 3228 no. Nka so bete. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Also we ye free your friend saying
we ye free Agric Ministry or e call Finance Ministry.
E call Finance Ministry. Sure. I didn't hear because Esikasem to be able to manage it, and the prudency of the exchange rate, so that as the exchange rate, Sikano as Ghana, for. So what I say, because Ghana they will say a boy.
But one more man this year, you almost dollars in about so almost how no? But I'll come back to you.
Finance minister, any finance ministry, because of the prudency in managing the economy.
I don't know what I
yes, and making sure because send a bear anchor, and Calberti say be on by declare price and even below 3,100.
But I say,
it will be hell. So let's not do that. Let's not paint the picture. Say, Shamsudeen Ali. Thank you so much.